On today's DIY project, I'm putting together a fairy night light for my daughter's end table. These are the materials I'll be using. I'll make sure to include them in my description box down below. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to thank you for joining me here. I'm all about crafting and coming up with ideas that are fun to do. I'm beginning with applying a round floral foam on the inside. You'll see why later in the video. I'll be adding my chandelier strings onto the inside of the garbage can, leaving spaces in between them. And then I'll be adding diamond studs to the outside of where I place the strings. I'm including my paper clay butterfly mold to this nightlight project just to add a girly touch to it. When using paper clay, it's best to add a bit of cornstarch or flour before applying the clay because it helps with removing them out from their molds. And what I made the small mirror box with are a square floral foam that I bought from Dollar Tree, as well as square mirrors. I glued them onto the entire square foam, and I'm adding cute little flowers onto the inside just to cover the foam inside the box. Here's what they look like once it's been applied into the molds. I did have moments when they did break apart, so I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, that they come out smoothly. Unfortunately, one of my butterflies did break, but I don't mind because once I put glue, you won't even notice. I painted my butterflies and will be applying them onto the shade. And here's why I added the floral foam inside. So I can make a mark in the middle and adding a generous amount of glue so it can stay in place. Oops, most importantly, so that you know, what's holding up my shade is a curtain rod. Once I inserted the curtain rod into the mirror box foam, I decided to let it dry for an hour. And for time's sake, I made a small mirror box off camera. And as you see here, it's just to use for the base for the nightlight. I'm using fairy lights inside, but you can use any lights that you prefer, such as Christmas lights, fairy lights, or even touch lights for a brighter effect. And here we have it, a fairy nightlight for your nightstand or end table. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and notification bell so that you won't miss when I uploaded a new video. And most importantly, subscribe.